Water is simple in formula, yet profound in function. Hello, I am Mark from Mentivia. Water, H₂O, is fundamental to life. It's everywhere, from the vast oceans to the tiny cells within our bodies. But what makes this seemingly simple molecule so incredibly special and essential for all living things? The answer lies in its unique structure and how its atoms interact. The bent shape of the molecule and the unequal sharing of electrons between hydrogen and oxygen give water its polarity, allowing it to form hydrogen bonds with other molecules. These interactions lead to remarkable properties: cohesion, adhesion, high specific heat, and solvent capabilities that make water vital for biological processes. From transporting nutrients to regulating temperature, water's molecular behavior supports the delicate balance required for life to thrive. Let's take a closer look at a single water molecule. It consists of one oxygen atom covalently bonded to two hydrogen atoms. While this arrangement seems straightforward, it's the specific way these atoms share electrons that gives water its extraordinary properties. The key to understanding water's nature is a concept called electronegativity. Electronegativity is an atom's ability to attract shared electrons in a covalent bond. In the case of water, oxygen is significantly more electronegative than hydrogen. This means oxygen has a stronger pull on the electrons they share. Because oxygen is more electronegative, it doesn't share the electrons equally with hydrogen. The shared electrons spend more time orbiting the oxygen atom than the hydrogen atoms. This unequal distribution of electrons creates partial charges, a partial negative charge on the oxygen atom and partial positive charges on each hydrogen atom. This uneven distribution of charge with distinct positive and negative regions makes water a polar molecule. Think of it like a tiny magnet with a positive end and a negative end. This polarity is the foundation for almost all of water's unique and life-sustaining properties. Now, what happens when many of these polar water molecules are together? Their partial charges attract each other. The partially positive hydrogen of one water molecule is attracted to the partially negative oxygen of a neighboring water molecule. This attraction is called a hydrogen bond. While individual hydrogen bonds are weaker than the covalent bonds within a water molecule, collectively, they are incredibly strong and numerous. This network of hydrogen bonds is what gives water its high boiling point, its ability to dissolve many substances, and its cohesive and adhesive properties. These hydrogen bonds are not just a fascinating chemical phenomenon, they are absolutely crucial for life. They enable water to act as an excellent solvent, transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and even contribute to the structure of complex biological molecules like proteins and DNA. Without hydrogen bonding, life as we know it would simply not exist. In summary, water's polarity, driven by oxygen's stronger attraction for electrons, leads to the formation of hydrogen bonds between water molecules. This seemingly simple molecular interaction is the secret behind water's remarkable properties, making it the indispensable solvent and medium for all life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated with new content. For even more free educational resources, including e-learnings, videos, and articles, visit mentivia.com. It's your one-stop destination for exploring science, history, and much more.